Good morning, guys. Look at the sun. It's shining on me. Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the pow. This bicep is so sore. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. So as far as my weekend, I need 12 offers for $5. As far as the other 3 bonuses, all I can say is they tracking. Okay, they's tracking. Hopefully it'll be easy. I did do a few offers at Target. I did post a Target video yesterday. What else? Y'all, my house is a mess. When I woke up this morning and came downstairs, I was like, oh my gosh. I'll pop up a picture of the hole in my hallway. They have since cemented it up, but they're rerouting some of the pipes, and it's going up. So it's like they're cutting through drywall. It's a mess. We got like 17 fans, 2 humidifiers downstairs. It keeps tripping the what do you call it? The breaker box. We can't cook or microwave nothing because it keeps tripping. And so unless we unplug the fan. So it's just a mess. It's a hot ass mess. Drywall, dust everywhere. But nonetheless, it's getting done. Home ownership at its best. I did find a lot of Old Spice on clearance. I found a lot of sticks for $2, which is cool. Normally like $8. I'm not including them in this haul. Not all of them though, because I'm just gonna resell them. This is my first time actually buying something on clearance specifically to sell it. Normally I just resell stuff I get through rebate apps and couponing and stuff like that. It should go good because, whoa, hell, it's gone good. I've sold a lot of it already. So when I do my haul at the end, it's going to be missing a lot of Old Spice and Axe as well. And so, but yeah. And then we have a rebate on Fetch Reward that's spend 27, get back 3. Now, I did mention that with Fetch Reward, I do have my Walmart app linked. And so I manually scan my receipts, are the ones that I need to scan. And then when I sync my Fetch Reward account, it gives me credit again. So it's actually kind of cool because I was able to hit the $3 mark. And then I'm tracking again for more. So, and I think I'm like $7 away from hitting that again, but I haven't found any more Old Spice clearance anywhere. All the stores I've been to, they've already fixed everything and they've already gotten rid of all the clearance. And so with that being said, because I've talked enough, we're going to head into Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know to do. Hit the like button and keep on watching.
All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Life Cider. It's a sparkling water. Now this popped up for me on Field Agent yesterday. But I ran out of time this morning, so I canceled it, and then I just kept refreshing and it popped back up, which was good because I had 2 for 2 different stores, and I was looking to get 2 for the same store. So I have to grab the mango citrus one right here. It's priced at $2.48. I have to grab the black cherry one, also priced at $2.48. The total for both is going to come to $4.96. We have an offer on Ibotta for buy one get one free, so you'll get back $2.48 there, and then I'll get paid $4.48 for each of them on Field Agent, making them both free was a $6.48 moneymaker. All right, so this next deal here is on the Mr. Clean. Now it's on the 41 ounce right here. It's priced at $6.24. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. That total is going to come to $12.48. Now I do have a $5 P&G OTC for scanning receipts, and so once that comes off, the total will come down to $7.48, getting back $6 for buying 2 Walmart rewards, making them only 74 cents each. All right, so I wanted to try this. Y'all know your girl loves to try some stuff. So we have a buy one get one free coupon on Airwick. It's on coupons.com. I wanted to see if that was gonna stack with buy 2 get back 7 on Ibotta. So grabbing 2 of the 2-count oils down here, priced at $5.98. That total is going to come to $11.96. The BOGO coupon, I did use it in self-checkout, scanned perfectly fine, took off $5.98, So I paid the $5.98 out of pocket, got back 7 on Ibotta, making them both free plus $1.02 moneymaker. And then we also had one on the single count oil, which they don't have any. It's like this one here. It's the regular one. It's priced at $5.98. So basically same deal. Grabbing two, the total's $11.96. The BOGO took off $5.98. You'll pay that out of pocket. Getting back 7 on Ibotta, making them both free plus $1.02 moneymaker. So it did work. It did stack for me with a coupon. I know that our coupons don't stack with offers on Ibotta for everybody, but it has been stacking for me. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. So next up is the Febreze Air. They're priced at $3.44. Grabbing one of them, getting back $2 for Walmart rewards would make that only $1.44. Lucky you guys don't have to hear about this deal anymore. It's on the Vital Fusion. I used the last of my coupons. Same deal, different day, right? So Vital Fusion, we're grabbing 4 of them, priced at $5.98. That total is going to come to $23.92. I used 4 of the $3 printables from coupons.com. Paid $11.92, got back 18 on Tada. Now I don't have the offer on Ibotta anymore, but it's still a $6.08 moneymaker, so I definitely could not pass this up. All right, so this next deal is on the L'Oreal Hydro Renewal. It's priced at $6.42, getting back 5 on Ibotta makes that $1.42. All right, y'all. So this next deal here is on the Function of Beauty. They are priced at $3.47, and then for that one we have a $2 off on Ibotta. I'm bringing that down to $1.47. All right, so my next deal is on the Palmer's. They do have certain ones on clearance. Gonna be grabbing the shampoo price at $3.75, getting back $1.50 on Checkout 51 as well as Swagbucks. Would make that 75 cents. All right, y'all. So look, I was here a few days ago. They've already gotten rid of all the stuff that's gonna be clearanced out. From what I can tell, I found the spray for $3, $2 on Walmart rewards, making that $1. And then I found some of the sticks for $2, getting back $1 on Walmart rewards, making that $1. We also have a offer on Fetch Rewards, spend $27, get back $3. I told you guys with Fetch Reward, I have my Walmart account linked. And so when I manually scan my receipts in and then I sync it, I sometimes will get credit twice. So, and I think I bought a total of 12 to 14 of the sticks, 3 of the sprays. I'm not including that in my haul because I'm just going to resell it. I also found this one here, the double pack of the Axe at a different store for $3.50. I grabbed 2 of them, paid $7, got back $6 for Walmart rewards. I bought it made them 50 cents per 2-pack, which is really cool. So I found some of the Dove as well. Was it Dove or was it Degree? Or was it Secret for $2? And so, yeah, no more clearancing. Everything's all clean and pristine. I almost forgot. I also found the Dr. Sashwash. I think that's how you pronounce it. I found some for $3.50, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. So it made those $1, which is definitely not bad considering they normally $13. And so, yeah. All right. I almost forgot the Nivea Men. I was gonna say men care. It's priced at $4.77. Now I have yet to try and see if the $2 printables will scan for this. I know last time it didn't. And so grabbing one at $4.77, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Swagbucks, and 2 on Checkout 51 make this $1.23 moneymaker. All right. So I was checking the clearance. They don't have a lot over here. But I did find the Maybelline lip right here for $1, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's only a limit of 1. I did find 2, so I'm gonna do 1 for Ibotta and 1 for Walmart rewards, making them $1 moneymaker each, which is not bad. Guys, I was on my way out the door and I saw them right here. And guess what date it is? The 19th. It has to be after October 19th, on or after October 19th, 2026. So these are priced at, I believe they're priced at $2.87. So if you grab the dill pickle and ranch and this cheddar and sour cream, you would pay what? I wasn't even ready for this. Don't you love when the universe just be like, boo, psst. The universe be like, psst. The universe be like, hey, check this out over here. Let me find the deal really quick because I totally wasn't ready for this. For this, we're grabbing one of each. We have offers on Flavor Wiki. I think the green one has to be after July something. I'll pop it up. This one is October. So make sure you check the dates before you do this deal. You grab one at $2.97. You get back 5 on Flavor Wiki, 50 cents on Ibotta, make it a $2.53 moneymaker. So 2 of them is going to be a $5.06 moneymaker. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. I did the green one yesterday at Target, so I'm going to grab this one by itself, and then I'll probably grab another set for Joseph's account. So yeah. All right, guys. So here is my final breakdown for this haul. Everything worked out good. The coupons I had for the Airwick, those scanned. The Vital Fusion scanned. What else? I think that's all I had for coupons. As far as the Old Spice and the Axe, we're missing a Axe 2-pack, which already sold, and we're missing one of the Old Spice sprays as well. What else with this haul? That's basically it. I'm going to try to breeze through this. Oh, I did want to mention the rewards drop, the deal that we did maybe a week ago on the Arrowhead. I had noticed that when I went into my account, it said that the 2 receipts I did were rejected. So I put a ticket in, and they did get back to me saying just to look out for the email. And so if you are having the same issue, definitely put a ticket in. Other than that, I'm going to try to breeze through this. So everything you see here retails $109.96. I had $23.96 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $86, and then we get back $42.48 from Ibotta. Ta-da is $21.50. Flavor Wiki $15. Walmart Rewards $12. Field Agent was $10.96. I did cash out for PayPal for $10.38. Checkout 51 was $5, and last but not least was Swagbucks was $1.50. So getting back a total of $118.82. It's going to make everything you see here free plus a $32.82 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.